course, I have been away for a hot minute. As you can see, we've had some changes in the background. We're no longer in our old house. We were in that house for 6 years and we just outgrew that house. We found our new house in September of 25 and moved at the end of the month. And then we had some family stuff with my niece and nephews where they had to come stay with us for a little bit in October. So I didn't get to focus on YouTube then. And then after that, we had Thanksgiving, we've had Christmas, we've had our anniversary, now it's the new year. And I am coming back to YouTube 100%. You all know this has been a cooking page. I've shared some little life updates or whatever on here, but it's predominantly cooking. We're gonna still keep it as a cooking channel, but I still will sprinkle in a little bit of our life here and there. I do want to focus more this year on like budget and finances and frugality, but incorporate that into our cooking. So if you don't follow me on TikTok right here, go do that and you can see more of my budget finance stuff. I'll have a little here, but you'll see more over there. This page is going to be more cooking, but I'm going to try to show how we can save money with the groceries and with the meals and everything. So I'm super excited. I will have a new recipe video for you guys no later than Sunday. I'm shooting for Saturday, but no later than Sunday. I may not do a weekly here's what's for dinner kind of thing. I may do a recipe here and there. I don't know yet. I gotta get back in the swing of YouTube, but I'm excited either way. And I'm excited for you guys to be with me. So here's to 2026.